So, Bhavan, I'll give the ID. I will extend. I will ask them extend to the ID, your ID to the vendor.
Okay. Okay.
So, Bhavan, I'll give the ID. I will extend.
Okay, sir.
That came from YouTube. Okay. Now.
Okay, sir.
So, database view, we done projection view, right? So, we are to start the maintenance view, right? So, I will go to the maintenance view. It will be very interesting, but we don't use in the projects. But SAP created the maintenance view for all lot of business applications. Okay, the flow is like this. I go to here. This is the maintenance view. They will create a business T code. This is business T code. Business T code. And this will be the maintenance view. This is the maintenance view. This is the maintenance view. Back end, this is the tables. Database tables. So data will go and insert into the database tables. You are seeing my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the data.
Yes.
Data will move to database tables here. To the maintenance view, data will, this is the backend database tables. User will access through this one. User will access this is the user. So use this business transaction code for creating the maintenance view. Basic purpose is to create a customizing data. Customizing data. Do you remember customizing data? What is the customizing data? Sometime back, maybe I would have been told three types of data in SAP. Three types of data.
Rarely changed.
So what is that we call category?
C. Yes.
Category
That
C.
is category, but right, one is master data.
Application 0, that is master transaction and master data.
There is a technical
Application
point
1,
of view, okay, but business point of view, master data. What is the master data example?
the data which cannot be changed
Hmm.
immediately, means
Which data we can
only
guess?
for employee number.
Employee data, employee information, right? Material master data,
Vendor master data.
right?
Bank account details.
Bank account details. So only bank account, not bank transaction, right?
Means customer details. I said,
Ah,
no,
because bank again bank account data if you take it,
it will come into all, but
ah,
only customer information.
transaction data will be bank transaction data is actual business classification under the transaction data.
Okay.
Bank account data. right? And further, if you go Aadhaar data, PAN card data, PAN card number, name, all these things which you don't change, right? This entire SAP runs on these three types of data only, entire SAP, master data. And other one is transaction data. What the transaction data? What could be transaction?
Customer is doing any transactions, that is
Oh, all the transaction, all
modifying
bank transaction data.
bank transaction data. Yes.
Transaction data. Purchasing data, all purchasing,
Mhm.
right? Selling data, sales
The
data,
amount,
sales
yeah,
data,
sales,
invoice. All this is going
invoice.
to the invoice. Customizing data. In SAP point of view, you can think better. Company information, company code,
New company is started, then
correct, correct, correct.
different information will be there
Correct,
for
correct. There is also
company.
under customizing data, high level data, customer company code data, plant data also,
Means
plant data, plant information, plant
if
information.
any new client is joined, then data will be customized.
Correct, correct, correct.
Is
So
it?
for that data to maintain, SAP will maintain through the maintenance database tables. I'll show you customizing data examples. If I go to, I'll create one customizing data, then I'll show you backend what is that maintenance view. If I go to here, mm, SPRO. This is the T code by SAP functional people. They use this one, SPRO. For all customizing activities, they'll create the customizing data here. If I go to reference IMG, if I go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, I define a company. If I go to define a company, you'll get a new skin here. You can create a new company information. You means in the SAP projects, SAP functional people will create, not above people. All right, got the point, right? So if you click on new entries, now it come a pop-up to create a new company. This is the backend is maintenance view. How do I know? I'll tell you. I'll create a company. Say suppose I'll give some company information here. Street, say.
Sir, as we are giving different company name, but same details of information like street, postal code. The new company will take, or
It
that
will
will
take
take
because
only.
on this primary key will be there on the table. In the
Okay.
table, this cannot
Means
be
it will
duplicate.
allow to create a new company.
Because we are giving different company name, it will allow. Because only street, right? Street, PO box, postal code, and city only. This is not a unique combination in the system, in the table. I'll show you now. Will be understood.
Okay.
Good question. Here it is differs here. This one. Now the moment if I click on save, what happens?
It will give an error message, I guess.
No. Assume that there is no other message. What will happen? Data will go into database, right? That is the flow. Remember, right? Any activity, if you observe or not, yesterday also I put one message in our SAP group. Did you observe or not? In the both community and SAP group also I put one message. What is that message? Second message. Do you remember anyone? Second message. Entire IT industry, two flows. One is whether you information data you update in the database tables or you fetch the data from the database tables. This is the two only. It rules the entire IT industry. The concept, right? Are you getting point here? This is business T code. Business. Okay. And this is SAP database tables. SAP database tables. What the business, what type of, how many types of transaction codes are there? There are two types of T codes. What are those two T codes? Technical and business. So technical transaction codes are, what are technical transaction codes? Whatever you know till now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What are the technical transaction codes comes under what are the different types of technical transaction codes? SC38, SC11. As of now, you know
C16.
SC16, not a technical, it is a business transaction code because business users will use this one. So what is the business?
SE09.
SC0 technical transaction code. It's not for business
Okay.
purpose.
Okay. Business purpose is different.
Business purpose is business users will use. What are the different transaction code for business purpose? MM01,
SM30,
MM,
MM01, MM0,
MM01.
MM02, MM03, VA01, VA02, VA03, all customer business purpose, whatever the transaction code he used, this, it is the business transaction code. Okay, now this is the data flow. From here, the data will go to database tables. Now, the moment I click on save, data will go and sit in the database tables. Okay, it has the customizing transport request. Why? Because customizing data also will transfer to database tables. Sorry, from one system to other system. Hence, it asks the transport request. So I'll create a new transport request here. Click on create. Give the transport request description here. New company information. Twenty-three. Okay.
Only, sir, here only request means in the top,
Correct.
it is only in display mode, means we are not customizing. We are creating the new data by giving the short description.
This is only
Is it?
for transport request purpose. This one. This is not for this customizing.
It's
Customize.
okay, sir. You can continue right now.
No, you can ask. What it will do is this will store the data what you are creating inside the transport request. And inside this transport request, it will create now one transport request. I'll show you that now after creating this.
Okay. You can continue now.
No problem. See, sometimes people will ask because you have a curiosity, so you don't need to wait for till the whole thing complete. That is also a
Means
our.
as I see in this current pop-up screen,
Mhm.
top one is customizing, means the company which is already created, that then it will display uh, as customizing, means we are modifying the data in the top
No, 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 no.
request option.
No, no, no. This one, huh? This one, huh?
Yeah,
This,
that's what I'm saying.
this one now system will generate because I created as a new. Since I choose as a new, now system will generate
Then
automatically. SAP has written
okay,
the, you see now.
let's see later about this.
You
Now
see.
you can continue,
Now,
sir.
now you see here. Request number came. This is
Okay,
created by SAP company. I mean SAP backend
by
code.
default.
By default backend code.
Okay,
Because I click this button, new button here.
okay,
So when you click on new button, that customizing request will be empty, gray out. Then user will not enter, system will generate the request number.
okay. As you clicked on new one, that's
Hmm.
why it's giving short description option.
Correct, correct, correct. You are right. You are right. If I don't click on new, it will take the default latest one, what we have used.
Okay. If you directly click on checkbox, then it will display that one
Correct,
only,
correct, correct,
top one.
correct, correct. The existing latest one it will take automatically.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can continue, sir.
Click on enter here now. Save now. If you want to know backend of this table and maintenance view, what you do is anything if you don't in SAP, right? This is shortcut key is very powerful shortcut key. F1, function F1. F1 by clicking the F1 button. You will get a pop-up. This is SAP has given. It gives the description also of that company. Unique company ID of a company within your corporate group. And click on technical information here. If you further click here, it gives some more information more clearly here, like this. So now if you go to here, again press F1. Go to technical details here. You'll get a pop-up here. You see the table name here. Here. This is the view. How do I know? Double click here.
We
Start
understood.
V. See, this is the maintenance view. Go to here. They are using this table. So data will go to this table. Double click here. It goes to the SC11. And if you go to delivery and maintenance, you can see here. This is the type C because it's customizing data. And display maintenance is allowed, means you can insert the data into this table. Okay. Now you go to the contents. Copy paste the company what I created just now. Click on execute. This is what I created just now, right? In this case, this came to database now. This is a database,
Okay.
right? So I can change also this data. How to change? Go back, 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 back. Right? MRA3. Back. Now I can search here. MRA3. If I want to change this one, for example, here, double click here. I can go and change here. Instead of Bangalore, you want to do Hyderabad, for example. Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Save it now. Right now, this will go and change in the database table. I can show directly without navigating that one. What table name? T880, right? Go to /o, S11, T880. Click on display. Go to the contents. Copy paste the company name. Execute. Double click here. Do you see now it has come Hyderabad here in the database?
Yes.
So this is how the data flows from the maintenance through the maintenance view only, the backend. So like this, I will give you homework. Try this one. It will be interesting. What I did, you also do it. Okay, na? And one more I will try to find out because this is not our own area. Okay. So we'll find here company. For this also backend transaction code will be there for define company also. If you go to here, we can check it here, the T code name. SIMG, right? SIMG, this is the T code. SIMG. Or otherwise, to find out the transaction code. Yeah. You people are lucky because ChatGPT is there. It was not there for us some time back.
Sir, in ABAP dictionary, can we get this? Means what is the transaction code for
Mhm.
current thing?
Yes, yes. Oh. See, this is OX 15. If you go to OX 15, the same thing what we have done. OX 15. Because I'm using this, it is showing as I'm locked here. OX 15. This one, same transaction code. OX 15. This is OX, this is what the transaction code. This one only I went through the
Modifying the data.
this one I went through the SPRO. SPRO is like for us SC38 for SAP functional people. They do all the things through the SPRO. Now I'll show you one more transaction code. You try as a homework. T code SAP for creating company code. New company code.
OX02.
OX02. You go to here. Go to slash n. It's all the business transaction codes. OX02. New entries. New company code. So how you know it is a view or what type of view? Press F1. Function F1. You get a pop-up. Go to technical details. See the view name here. V underscore 3001. Double click here. See, this is the maintenance view. Right? You can see, right? The maintenance view. Go to table joint
Yes.
conditions. Table. Double click here. This is the company code. Go and see the delivery and maintenance here. Customizing data. Very, very
Allowed.
interesting, this concept. Hello? So I'll show you, I'll create one company code. You also do it later. Okay, na? What we do is go to transaction code. Back. OX02. Because I'm doing already, it is coming as a non-editable mode. Back, back, back. Again, I'll go to here, OX02. Click on new entries. New company code I can give. MRA, for example. Yeah. MRAS. IT. Okay, now IT solutions. City, Bangalore. India. Okay. Currency, INR. Then language, EN. Now I click on save. So it is asking some more information of the company code information. Company name. Country. IN. Okay. This is not mandatory. If you want, you can give more information here. Company portal code, all the things. Reason. Save it. Right? Because it is a company code. New information you are creating. It asks again the transport request. You can choose the old transport request or you can create a new transport request. Click on create. New company code. MRAS. Click on save. Can go here. 23rd August. Save it here. Enter. Now data is transferred to the table. How do I know which table? Same procedure. Press F1.
T00.
T001, right?
1.
Double click, go to SC11 directly. Practice this one is very, very interesting because why I'm telling this one is generally the above trainers, many people don't tell this flow. Okay, so people generally will tell the tables and data fetching only. So this flow is to focus more only. To tell very frankly, started this teaching. I go to now, 3001, display, contents, copy paste the company code name here, execute. What I gave the name? MRAS only, right? Or MRAS only give, right?
Yes.
MRAS.
In the table should be there, MRAS. This is what I gave just now. This is the new company code.
MRAS. Yes.
So new company code I have created here. Same thing, right? The same thing you also practice it. Now I'll create one maintenance view. Go to the video, you try to create your own company code, your own material numbers. And you try to create one plant also as a homework. Okay. Ask the ChatGPT how to create a plant. The T code. Yes. New plant. No second. Okay. OX10. You can try to create one new plant, OX10. You can try it up. Okay, next, I'll show you how to create a maintenance view. I'll create the new maintenance view on the same table. SC11. Go to maintenance view.
So T001 only, I guess. Means just know which one you created.
Now I'll create a new maintenance view on company, new company. This is the name I give. Click on create. Go to the maintenance view. Click on enter. Maintenance view for new company. New table name. T880, right? First table. First one.
Yes.
Is it the table only? You can check it. Go to SC11.
T880, no, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now this table we are going to create the data. Instead of standard, I am creating our own customizing transactional code. Now which fields you want to see in the output? Go to here. By default, primary key field will come. You can choose few more fields. Company name 1, country, language key, and local currency. Where city, company. Click on copy. Save it. Check syntax. Check syntax. Activate. Okay. Now you want to insert the data. You can't see the data now because you have to create it EMC. Go to utilities. Cable maintenance generator. Okay, give the copy paste the function group here. Create operation group,
Yes, we.
this one, right? And one step. Click on create. Save it. Save it. Now you can insert the data your own maintenance view. I mean, now how to do that? Take this one. Go to SM30. Use this maintenance view. Click on maintain the data. Right? See all that has come. Same as standard. Click on new entries. Right? You can choose give here now here MR 5. All right, the currency here. Country rating. Choose as India. Name to. Language. AN. I can choose as Hyderabad here. Currency. INR. The moment I click on save, it will ask the transfer request because customizing data. Enter. If you are new transfer request, you can create a new transfer request. Create new company. I am creating custom maintained view. Table name is 3880. This table only, right? Save it. Enter. Now you can go and check it in the table T880. This is available or not. Control C. I think already I am having here. Go to contents, copy paste here, execute here. Right? So this is what the data is transferred here. MRA file. Suppose this is what the data is transferred. This flow. This is the flow. Data. The moment you click on save, this is save button here. The moment you click on save here, so data transfers from here to here. Now suppose if you delete this one, for example, you don't want this company, you can delete this one, right? Go back, again go to here, search for MRA file, double, choose this one, you can't delete this one, delete this, you can delete, save it. Because you have deleted, it is asking that, again transport request, deleted. Now go to system, table, database table. Right, copy paste here, execute. She is deleted, right? Because you have deleted, you don't get this one. Got the point?
Yes. No entries found
Yes.
for specified key.
Mhm. So you cannot use this in the program. This you cannot use in the program, like the database view, you cannot use that. For example, if I go and create a new program, it won't come as the data source. Maintains view. I went to SC38 to create a program. Please create program. Go to type, executable, save it. IT underscore company type table of. We'll use the maintenance view name here. This is the maintenance view. Maintenance view.
It's the second one. Yes.
Okay, let's try to get the data. Select star from maintenance view into table IT underscore company. This is internal table, like arrays in other programming languages. See, you can't get the data. This is not possible. This is not possible. You can't get the data from the maintenance view table. Okay, it's noted down somewhere here. Whereas database view and projection view, you can get the data. Okay, you can't get the data because the purpose is not to get the data. Purpose is to insert the data. Purpose is
And
to
maintenance view.
in the maintenance. Only the purpose is to insert the data. Okay, you
So in program, what two views can be maintained, can be used in a program?
database view and projection view.
Only these two.
Help view also, I'm sure, I don't know, I'm not sure. We can do that in the next class. One more view is there left. Help view. Help you. You can practice up to here. I'll stop here. 1 minute. Stop recording.